Hey happy campers, how we doing today? Me and the wife were sitting around the house. We're kind of bored, so we thought we'd go out and do some camping tonight. We didn't plan on filming anything. We brought the camera just in case, so this might not get published. We decided to start filming today. Was on the way here we seen a cute little baby bear just right off the road. Mom was nowhere around. We pulled over and got to film that, so here's the footage for that. Hi. You're getting all wet. We'll leave you alone. That was pretty cool, wasn't it? We looked around quite a bit, didn't see a mother's bear. It must be an orphan cub. So we might go for a walk here shortly to show you some of the scenery. Maybe we'll get to Jake's Rocks tomorrow and show you some of the scenery from there. Beautiful place to come hike. If you want to just go for a walk or picnics, they got lots of picnic areas up here. Boating, beautiful place to go boating. Hopefully we'll be able to show you more of that soon. We went for a little bit of a walk, a little bit of hike back in the woods. We came across a oil trail leading to the oil tanks. We're really close to Drake's well where oil was actually discovered. So there is oil tanks and oil pumps everywhere throughout here. I wanted to climb up on this ladder and see if we could maybe possibly see a bear or some other game.
Smart to climb up on the ladder so it's thundering.
Yeah, it is thunder and lightning out, and I am climbing up on a ladder that's made out of iron. Here's the brine tanks. Hello. Hey. Ha 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 ha. We were expecting rain, but not hail. Let's see if I can get some.
This is usually my signal to go in the basement.
Let's go camping, she said. It'll be fun, she said.
There wasn't supposed to be tornadoes.
We like camping in the rain. I don't know about hail. Never done that.
I think it's just off the rain.
I see hail.
I'm trying to be optimistic.
It's not raining very hard or hailing very hard. We'll go in the car once we get golf ball size.
Just a pebble.
There's lightning.
Frozen pies.
So it's about a mile away, we're figuring. Do you guys still do that? Do you still count every time you see the lightning? See how far away it is? I've done that since I was a little kid. I love it.
Well, it has come to this. Thunder and the lightning was getting a little bit close and we were getting a little bit too wet. So we made a mad dash for the car. See if it passes.
Hey everybody, we want to give you a quick update. This is I think hour 2 of non-stop rain. There's still thunder, but it's all left. It rained pretty darn hard. We stayed pretty dry underneath our little tent here. We were able to keep our fire going, but there was tornado warnings in our area. We didn't know it until after it was already up. We got text said, "Hey idiots, why are you out there camping?
Right?
There's tornado warnings." So we decided to start cooking up our food. We have cheese smoking, and we just threw our steaks on. The tripod worked out great. We were able to cook our meat up. The ropes, as long as we kept them soaked in water, didn't burn at all. That steak is just beautiful. Smoked cheese and some potato chips. There's dinner. Well, I only get about 6% battery life left, but we made it through the night. We got our coffee cooking. We're about ready to pack it up and head out.